In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Map View on Monday.com. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to add a map view to one of your boards. Set up the right columns so it works properly, and then see your items plotted on a map. Start by opening the project board where you want to use the map view. From your Monday.com workspace, go to the relevant board just like you normally would when managing your tasks or projects. At the top of the board, look for the Views area. You'll usually see something like Main Table there. Click on the highlighted Views section to open the menu of available views attached to this board. In that menu, choose the option to explore more views. This opens the full gallery of view types you can add to your board. In the search bar that appears, start typing Map so you can quickly filter down to the Map View option instead of scrolling through everything manually. Once you see the Map View option in the results, click on Open in Board. This adds the map view to your current board and opens it so you can start configuring it. At this stage, the map may look empty or incomplete, and that's because it needs a location column to know where to place your items. To fix that, click on Add a Column from within your board. This is where you'll add the type of column that will store your location data, such as an address or a place name. In the column options, click the highlighted Location Type option, then click Add a Column to confirm. This new column will now appear in your board. After that, click Add to Board, so Monday.com knows to connect this location column to the map view. The map view relies on this column, so make sure this step is completed. If there are additional highlighted configuration options, click through them to confirm which column the map should use and to finalize the view settings. Now switch back to the main table view at the top so you can start entering actual data. In the new location column, click into a cell, then type or select a place, such as Coliseum, and confirm it. You can repeat this for as many items as you need. When you're ready to see everything on a map, go back up to the View section and click on Map. Your board items that have locations in that column will now be displayed visually on the map, letting you see where everything is happening at a glance.